A good night, boys. A night.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ayakunceda kanami.
Come back. Ungazibulali.
What? Hold on, different types of cheese in me. I'm freezing it. Try some on for a reason. Get to it first every season. I was just climbing up and get a piece. Never say it's on me. Did it myself. Trap jumping like a Zell. Sure, boy.
Sure, boy.
Skibani.
Mnandi wena.
Mnandi wena utasinto uthe uzofona emini ndo.
Ushaya usiza phi? Ngibona utshwala.
Yabona into enokuphuza every day. Ubeniphuza vie.
Sure.
Nxa matana kuna flop fela ubhizi nganda. Wena tani Call of Duty. Every day Call of Duty. Awukhathali ndo. La Call of Duty neyintomi zabantu la lokho yashela.
Ngizela bayi mina boy yafunani.
Wena mutane neyintomi zabantu Call of Duty. Qeda intomi zabantu la Call of Duty. Nxa feli ntwana kusinto ebhaya feli.
Angishelani.
Feli ntwana kusinto ebhaya.
Uyaphi manje?
Ntangi ndawo ngiyobheka idiski ngala i-sitting room. Qeda ngiyagila. Ngiyobheka idiski ngala i-sitting room qeda ngiyagila. Nxa feli good night boy.
Good night boy.
Ayakunceda kanami.
Khambani na.
Good night boys. Nami ngizoshaya idiski lami bese ngiyagila qala.
Kwenzakalani boy? Kwenzakalani?
Ngani lo?
Uright boy. Uright.
Ngimnandi Skipani.
Usomnandi.
Ngimnandi Skipani.
Boy khambani.
Next mpana ngimnandi ungawazi.
Yeah, ngiyakwazi move wrong.
Uyangazi manje wrong.
Ukhona into wrong.
Ungawazi uqala kuna next.
My point is wrong.
But qala kuna into wrong. Good night boy.
Good night boy.
Away.
Hey wena sasa.
Skipani.
Ungazibulali.
Ngizosipotelani lo ndoda. Awukawatala ngizibulale mntawe boy. Sure. She concerned. She's saying, please, hey boy, don't kill yourself. Hey wow. Why would I kill myself? Me, it's nice here on earth. Hey. Dying so early, I'm still young to die, chief. Let me call, who's this guy? Phoenix. Yeah, let me call Phoenix. It's been a while since I spoke to Pooh. Wait, let me call Phoenix. The last time we spoke, I sent him a YouTube link. Hey, this guy, he reminds me, Sharp Boutique. Phoenix Professor is a celebrity, this guy. Tell him to stop being a celeb. Shangy Boutique. It's in. Let's see if he's gonna answer. This guy isn't answering. Last ring. Oh, Poison. Are you not? I'm good, Poison. None. Are you in KG?
Yeah.
Boy, why don't you shoot anything there?
Well, I'm still cooking some.
You're still cooking sound.
Everybody's asking the same question. Why am I not cooking? I'm still cooking sound.
You're pulling up heavy in 2026.
Yeah, boy.
Boy, you should
Yeah, like I said, 2026.
Baba, you should operate 2026, boy. You should drop bangers every week.
Bitch, boy. How is? I'm gonna be hella busy, man.
2020, the whole of 2026.
Yeah, actually. I'm gonna be busy doing everything, boy. Content, brand, everything, boy.
Push everything, boy. Push span.
Have you been dropping you? Oh yeah.
I only dropped a vlog. It's been how many months since I dropped? It's been a while since I dropped.
When was the last time then?
Hey, maybe 3 months, 2 months back. That vlog when I was at Rest. It's been a while. It's been a minute.
You gotta shoot something. I mean, I don't mind pulling up for y'all, you know.
Yeah, I'm coming back to KGN on the 9th. We'll shoot something.
On the 9th.
Yeah.
Now,
By poison, I was just checking if you know, boy.
I'm chilling, but you know, 2026 we are getting into, you know, we are still doing our New Year's resolutions. Yeah, you understand?
Yeah, boy, I get you, boy. It's good if you know, boy.
When are you good then?
I'm good, boy. Everything's going on. Nothing much. I'm just always in the house chilling, bro. There's nothing much I'm doing this time.
What's he about mommy?
Chief, me, girls now, focused on span only, no girls.
What's fine? Talk to me, Chief.
Yeah, I'm focused on a lot of things. Girls, I will see. Yeah, now well, in 2026 I want to be a loyal guy. I want to be a good guy 2026.
Fun, it's never like that with us playboys.
Don't say us playboys, Chief. Don't include me in your corruption.
Playboy, fun.
Don't include me in your corruption, Chief.
You're a playboy. You were forever in this game, bro. The time you were born, you were in the game already.
I can never be a playboy.
Yeah?
I can never be a playboy. I'll never be a playboy.
Boy, you've been in the game, boy. You were born in the game, boy. Light skin, boy.
So light skin by default, you're a playboy, right?
Yes, it's different. Default, you're a playboy, boy. By default.
Well, wait. It's God. I'm a loyal. 2026, I'm a loyal boo, prayer boy, focused on span and school only. I'm feeling good. And I'm about to sleep. I'm tired. Today, I don't even know what got me tired, but I'm about to sleep.
Yeah, I wish. When you playing ball there?
Yeah?
When you playing ball, maybe that got you tired or something.
Yeah, I did go play ball.
Maybe that's why.
Yeah. Good night, boys. Good night.
Why are you gay?
Ulale kahle nawe, boy.
Alright, boy.
Sure. Why is this bro so comfortable with saying good night to another guy? This guy needs to be investigated of it. Phoenix, why does it seem like you're playing for the PlayStation? Technology advanced. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.